loving, caring, sharing. This is my family.
Welcome to Grandpa Kitchen.
Today we are preparing
Gochujang chicken recipe. It's a famous Korean recipe. Let's clean chicken. We need to cut chicken pieces small like this. Let's drain water from chicken. First, we marinate chicken. Salt, black pepper, ginger garlic paste, soya sauce, mix well. Let it marinate for half an hour. Now let's make chicken seasoning. Corn flour, ginger powder, garlic powder, white pepper. We're going to mix all this powder well. Let's make spicy gochujang sauce mix. Sesame oil, finely chopped garlic, tomato ketchup, let's add sriracha, Korean gochujang sauce, brown sugar, dark soya sauce, rice vinegar, cornstarch, we need to make this sauce mix on slow flame. Sauce came out perfect as expected. Oil, let's mix chicken and seasoning together. Let's fry chicken. Let's add fried chicken into gochujang sauce mix. While mixing only we are getting nice smell. Let's garnish with sesame seeds. Let's add gradually while mixing. Scallion greens. I am giving small Indian touch to Korean recipe. Green chilies. I am also adding curry leaves. I can't wait to taste gochujang chicken.
నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు దేనికోసం వెయిట్ చేసేవరా?
Wow. Spicy.
స్పైసీ, స్వీట్, హాట్.
Little sourness and that garlic flavor. Awesome combination. I added little extra Indian touch to this recipe. This spicy green chili, roasted green chili. Adds little more spiciness to this recipe. Wow, awesome combination. Nice blend of all ingredients. Awesome taste. Actually, Grandpa loves this green chili. So from there, we are maintaining this kind of ingredients to our recipes.
బాగుంది.
Gochujang chicken, super!
Right.